Hi guys, welcome to English video class. Let us today we learn about the new poem Imagination was written by George Bernard Shaw. In the poem Imagination, George Bernard Shaw, the poet, reminisces his boyhood day when he would play different games acting as pirates or cowboys. He read adventurous books which helped him to forget daily burden. He recalls his fantasy could be translated in his exploring the poles and living with the Eskimos. George Bernard Shaw was an Irish playwright. Although his first profitable writing was music and literary criticism, in which capacity he wrote many highly articulate pieces of journalism. Shaw is the only person to have been awarded both a Nobel Prize for Literature 1925 and Oscar 1938 for his contribution to literature. Let us read and enjoy the poem. I used to play at pirates and sailed the seven seas. Then I was a cowboy. These simple things did me please. I had a vivid imagination. Adventure was always on my mind. I discovered the joys of reading and escaped the daily grind. Once I lived with the Eskimos in the land of ice and snow, went hunting and fishing. My fantasy was all aglow. I read a book of Jules Verne and went off to the moon. It was just to take a look, then it was time to return. I spent time in the forests of Africa with Dr. Livingstone as my guide, then off again to America with Huckleberry Finn I did hide. In my world of fantasy and imagination, I performed such wonderful deeds. A hero of all the nations, I was the one that did succeed. Then I grew up, my childish world at an end. I had become serious. It nearly drove me around the bend. I still do like the mysterious, having unknown qualities. This is the message I am trying to send. This is a poem written by the famous Irish playwright George Bernard Shaw. In this poem, the poet tells us how he lived in a world of fantasy and imagination. As a boy, the poet used to play the game of pirates and act as if he were sailing in a ship on the seven seas. Then he would think he was a cowboy, taking care of a cattle on a ranch, riding on a horse. The poet, as a little boy, had clear imagination. He loved adventure. He took a liking to reading books and discovered a lot of joy in reading. While reading, he would become so engrossed in it that he would forget the hard and dull work of the day. After reading a book on the life of Eskimos, he imagines to be living with the Eskimos in the land of ice and snow. He goes hunting and fishing there in the world of fantasy. The book transports him to the world of imagination. He would feel as if he is living with them, as his mind sets him fantasy aglow. When he read the book written by Jules Verne, he went off to the moon to take a look at it. After virtually enjoying his visit, he comes back to reality. The book by Dr. Livingstone takes him to the forests of Africa. He learns the waves of the jungle life under the guidance of the author. He reads The Adventure of Huckleberry Finn and pays a visit to America in his imagination. He prefers to do the wonderful deeds done by the heroes of the novels and become a hero himself. Of course, all in the world of fantasy and imagination. As the poet grows up, his childish fantasies come to an end. He becomes serious about the harsh realities of life He could no longer lose himself in the imaginary world. The poet says that he still likes the mysterious nature of the books. He wants us to understand that books are windows to the world. Sitting at home, we can explore the whole universe. We can transport ourselves to those unknown, unseen places and experiences the same joy we get when we visit those places in reality.